everyone. Thank you for being here. I'm Dr. Sunita Patel, nurse practitioner. I work in internal medicine. I also have, by the way, 4 medical license. And I have my own medical spa. I opened up 4 years ago. I started from laser rejuvenation to another 4D medical treatment. And then one by one, I have pretty much everything. Everything before plastic surgery, you name it. All the machines I have done like over 3,000 laser. I do the PRP for anti-aging, hair regrow, fine wrinkle, fat reduction, IV, weight loss clinic I have. I also do the IV minerals, detox, glutathione, all kind of the medical 4D medical treatment, including psoriasis, wart, fungal nails, basically most of the skin care I treat. Not medically, as a medical spa, and I'm also there to help my community and support my, because beauty and medical spa goes hand in hand, and I'm always going to be connected with her, and I welcome everyone to come in my med spa. You are definitely going to get very VIP treatment. As usual, my all client is VIP, right? But you're going to get the special discount from Rashmiji. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sunita. And of course, guys, if you want any services, she's here with us. And I can share her number with you. She is #1, I'll say, here in New Jersey. And she's really the best. Thank you so much, Dr. Sunita. And also we have Dr. Akash here. And I would like him to say a few words because he's a very well-known oncologist. Hi, Dr. Akash.
First of all, thank you, Rashmi ma'am, for inviting us here. And it's been an incredible evening for us to come not just as a judge, but part of the My Dream TV family and celebrate this wonderful evening with all of you. And I work as a chief AI scientist in a biotech company, and most of my research is developing AI for breast cancer diagnosis. And I'm also part of an AI advisor under the Modi government for the India AI initiatives. And I serve on multiple boards within US government at the federal level and community level. And how is AI revolutionizing cancer diagnosis and what it means to build ethical and trustworthy AI. And as you know, the field is becoming quite popular, but my work mostly revolves on building that for cancer diagnosis. And I did my PhD in breast cancer research, and it's quite alarming that close to 1 million women undergo breast biopsy every year, and the rate of disagreement and misdiagnosis, it's close to 48 to 52%. So it so happens that how much can a woman trust that breast biopsy? So I think in my work, I work with doctors in US and around the globe to come to an agreement, how to give the right diagnosis to women, and so that they can trust the diagnosis and the treatment and go home happy. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I think we have few more minutes. I would like to invite my Vice President of New York, New Jersey pageant, Divya Frank. And I would like to invite my state directors who have supported me, Kanjit, Dr. Purinda, Shraddha, Suruchi, Sudipta. So, am I missing someone? And I just want to check with you, any of our state director. I would like to say a few words, Divya. Thank you so much for your support. It's a lot of her hard work. She started her journey with Miss Bharat, New Jersey winner in 2022, and look at her, she is Vice President of New York, New Jersey pageant. A big round of applause for Divya Frank.
Thank you so much, Ji. First and foremost, I have no words to express how thankful I am to Rashmiji and Janakji and My Dream TV USA, because they were the ones who were boosting my confidence and gave me this platform when I started first in 2022. So when I first participated, I was also nervous since I was new to this field. But Rashmiji was the one who gave me that confidence that I can also do it. Just because of that resilience power I developed, right now I'm standing in front of you all as Senior Vice President of this pageant. I'm so thankful to you, Ji. Thank you so much. And I hope like everyone is enjoying the show. I don't want to take much of your time. Please do support us for the upcoming shows as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and she's showcasing hard work pays off, of course. Shraddha, I would like to say a few words.
Thank you so
Ishika.
much, Rashmi ji, for the opportunity. I am really grateful and blessed that I am part of My Dream TV, and it's a great achievement. I can say myself, I am here as a universe. In like 1 year, I started my journey, and I feel like the Rashmi ji provided me such a great support and mentorship that I cannot ask for anybody else, but she was always there. So I'm very grateful, and thank you everyone to support this cause and being here to support our contestants and kind of cheering them so that they can also have a great future ahead. So thank you so much again.
Thank you, my love. Thank you so much, and I'm very proud of your amazing journey in just in 1 year. It's commendable, I'll say. Outstanding. And Konjit is here, one of our state directors. Would like you to say a few words.
Hi everyone, good evening. Let me see, show of hands. I think we have New Jersey, New York, I think I heard New Hampshire, PA, Pennsylvania, of course. What else have I missed? Connecticut. Well, I'm from New Jersey, home of the amazing food, so I hope you're all enjoying tonight. I was crowned in 2018 actually, but my journey, as you can see, continues. This platform, My Dream Team, is so near and dear to me. This is a way for us to give back to all of our community. So it's not just where it ends with our crown, it's what we can do for the rest of the next generation. So thank you everyone, enjoy tonight.
Thank you, and I'm very proud of you, Dr. Parinda, for supporting us. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you, Konjit. So proud of you, darling.
Good evening, New Jersey. How's everyone doing?
Woohoo!
Come on.
Where's the energy, guys?
I'm feeling it. Come on, guys. How are you? I just want to stand here and tell you this. By profession, I'm a child adolescent adult psychiatrist. I'm not here to advertise for myself. When I met Janak ji and Rashmi ji at one of the medical conferences and just listening to what they do, first thing, please give a big round of applause to this powerhouse couple.
Thank you so much, Dr. Parinda. That means a lot.
And really, what they're doing is above and beyond just dressing up pretty and looking pretty. And really, they're going above and beyond size, shape, body weight, height. Really, they are giving a platform for self-esteem, confidence, and really loving yourself. So please, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your neighbor, please come and support My Dreams.
Thank you so much, Dr. Parinda. And Ishika, our sweetheart, I would like to say a few words. A young girl coming forward to support.
Hi everyone, thank you for being out here to support us all today. It's been exactly 1 year since I've stood on the stage as a pageant girl, and it changed my life forever. I've made such amazing friendships, amazing bonds, and not only did I find this as a platform to find myself, but I found such an amazing family here. All thanks to Rashmi Auntie and Janak Uncle and Surya, of course. And we hope you're having a great night and keep enjoying.
Thank you, dear. Yes, Sudipta, a few words from you too, dear.
Hello everyone, thank you so much coming here and supporting us, and thank you so much Rashmi ma'am. She is a life changer. All her love, support, and Hrithik Roshan is coming. Next show is all about our Hrithik Roshan, and if you're a fan and you didn't buy the ticket, buy it today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And Suruchi?
Hello everyone, my name is Suruchi. I started my journey with My Dream TV last year, and this year I became a judge also and also a state director for My Dream TV. It's feel really amazing to see both the sides and also like confidence of a contestant judging them. Really good. And thank you Rashmi ji for all the support. Thank you for empowering all the women here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and of course showcasing teamwork, make dream work. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.